I'm Khatraj from Kabul, Afghanistan. My major is literature. I have worked as a teacher in Kabul before current Afghanistan's rulers. It was supposed to start my master's degree in TESOL major at the Kabul Education University, but I couldn't because of their rules toward women. Fortunately, I got the TEVED scholarship and came to Uzbekistan to continue my education at the field of agronomy. I hope my educational journey doesn't stop here. I am much eager to go forward and receive what I really deserve.
My name is Khutsef. My bachelor degree is in law and political, but the situation of Afghanistan was so bad, and the woman and girl can continue our lesson or working in Afghanistan. But I got a scholarship from the UNDP, and I came to Uzbekistan. I continue my lesson in Uzbekistan about the agribusiness field. I want to continue my lesson about the international relationship.
I'm Shahira. I was only in my second semester when the ban on women to study came into place. Since 2022, I'm studying here in Tashkent. I speak Uzbek, Dari and English, so it's been easy for me to adapt. I want to contribute to a future where Afghan women can get an education. I want to create a future where women in Afghanistan have a choice.